Hello everybody and welcome to a new video of the Hess Trucks. So this here is a 2012 Hess Truck and I will show you its abilities, features, and cool things about it. So first off, I'm going to show you the sounds. The sounds are ignition, takeoff, and flyby. They're really cool sounds. And second, there's these swivel lights. And I'll show you these. There are lights and rotors, off, and lights. This is lights. These are lights and rotors. And something about this red button is that if you hold it, it will flash with rotors. And then there's this little compartment thing. I call it a mini garage. And if you press those two buttons that you just saw, this door comes down and there's a mini car. And I'm going to show you something really cool about it. If you press this down, the light goes down, and if you press it again, it goes back up. And also, these are its lights. Very cool. This is the bottom. And what's really cool about it is the rotors. This is how you get the rotors on. You get them until a point where they stop. And I think that's pretty much it. Bye everybody. See you later. And this is the Elite Monkey Studios, and bye.